Hello everyone, so welcome back to this channel once again, and in this video session I will discuss the mon message, that is monitor message command in CL. So we can use this message to handle the errors or catch the exceptions in the program. So this by using this command we can capture the escape messages, status messages and notification messages. So status or notification message does not cause us much harm, or that means that we don't need to worry about them. But escape messages asked us to take some actions, and basically the sender sends this message to forcefully end the program, so that we can handle here. And this mon message we can use at the two levels of the programs. First, it is at the procedure level, that is at the program level, and the second one is at the specific command level. So let's say we do have several commands in the CL program, and we want to tackle each one of them specifically. Then we can use the mon message, specific mon messages on them, and that's command level. And if I want to use, let's say I have several commands of same nature, let's say check object I'm using multiple times, and I do want to handle it once, so I can use that at the program level or the procedure level, that is after the last declare. So whatever variable I have declared last or file, I can I have to use the mon message command to mention that this is at the procedure level, so that every command that is gets executed, or all the exceptions that are that are there in the programs will get captured by that procedure level mon message. So let me show you this example. So you can see this program has these variables. So now this is the syntax of this mon message command. So let me take F4 here, let's say. So first thing is you need to specify the message ID, that is now mandatory of parameter. So here you can specify single message ID, or you can specify multiple message IDs based upon your requirement. If you want to handle multiple message IDs, then you can mention each of them here as well. Or you can specify individual one. You can specify the generic one like CPF0000 and CPF, let's say 9800. CPF 9800 is specifically to handle, let's say, all the exceptions or escape messages that occur from CPF 98. So star, so 980001 till 99. So all of them. And CPF00 is much more generic messages. And if you want to capture more than that, then you can use MCH0000 and CPF0000 both. Now, compare data is something, let's say you have this message ID, and whatever the message data that is recovered or retrieved from this message ID, then if that message ID, message data have anything compared with this, let's say I've written, let's say ABC. So if that character were there in the message data for this message ID, then that will get compared. If that will match, then this execute command will get executed. Whatever the command they execute parameter, that gets executed. If it is not specified, this is optional, so you may ignore it. That is not matched. So this is the command structure. That's what I have written here. So you can see that different message IDs I have used here, like this is I'm dividing two variables where one is 2 and dividing by 0, basically situation here. So what I'm doing is I'm making it 1. So I'm checking if MCH1211 means if this condition satisfied after this command execution, then please execute this. Please change result 1 value to 1. By default it's 0. Second thing I'm checking is if CPF9801 object not found. So check object this object type star file. So it's not found means if it's CPF901, then it's go to the command label this error here. So you can mention anything here. Let's say send program message. You can mention that there's some error. So whatever you want to do, you can do here. Uh, so this is for more generic. I have mentioned this is for 98 CP star space CPF98. And if you want to handle much more generic things, so you can use CPF0000 and MCH0000. There were other message IDs as well, so you can do that, and you can use a list of message IDs too in your programs. Just compile it and just call it. Just do DSP job log F10 shift F6. So you can see attempt made to divide by 0 for fixed point operation that has been captured, and object this not found. Let me show you this in debug as well. Just compile it with debug view star source, let's say strdbg on message production and open source. Yes, set the breakpoint and then call MONMSG. So you can see where 1 is 2, it's 0, it's again 0. So we are basically dividing by zeros. So once we are dividing by 0, you can see the result. So the mon message this was satisfied and this got executed. So that makes it result 1. So you can see that checking for object this will not found. So basically it came to the error section and then the NPGM. So this way you can do the do use the mon message thing in your CL program. So that's all in this video. Thank you and have a nice time.